Why would she leave me like that? Oh yeah, date would be nice. Don't she? That girl there. Mirror. Mirror. Tell me what I gotta do, girl. I'll make it up to you. What I gotta do? I'm finna add your dish soap that I told you I was gonna add though earlier. So you gotta be here to see it. Mira got anger management problems for real, cause that girl really be leaving. That's some charms. How much charms cost? Goodness gracious. $300. Oh, baby. Can somebody get my CA, please? Thank you, Coley. Thank you, Legacy. Thank you, Mira. So, Legacy, how much you be charging though, girl? That's a lot, if you ask me. If you ask me. Where's my heart at? Per case was for 25, but for full blanked out one, is the price going up? Okay. Yes, I got 10 cans left. 10 cans left, $2 each. Yes, Maya, this dish soap's so good, girl. Y'all gotta remind me to put my Cash App like on the screen when I start lives. If it even let me. Because when I first started going live, it would not let me. Oh. Look at Meg. Meg sent 500 too. My girls be having a good time. What's everybody's favorite part about sponge squeezing? Like when you watch videos, what's your favorite part? For me, it's the squeezing. Oh my gosh, y'all, she's broken. No, I just got her. Come on, they don't work on weekends. Oh, so how they respond? But at least they ain't say they don't do refunds. The powder bombs, powder suds. So you like powder and suds. Powder bombs. Did those two people that asked me for my Cash App, do they want to send? Because everything is in here right now. If you want to add, now would be the time. Thank y'all for the follows. Somebody tell me what my follower count is at. Yeah, this consistency is good. 76, 76, 10, 76, 12, 76, 13. 7612. Okay. Okay. Not a whole other 100. That's crazy, y'all. Thank you so much for everybody that's following. I can watch you playing this all day, LOL. Really? So y'all don't get bored when y'all just keep seeing the same squeezes? Oh shoot, y'all, I was supposed to go to Ari Live. Not here, I don't. Oh, my legacy, my sweet girl. I need to go to Ari Live, y'all. Just for a second. I'm weak. Is she still on live though? Yeah, tell her I can't join because I'm live. It won't let me join because I'm live. Don't tell me squeeze, you get kicked out. I don't like to be rushed. She been doing good. Said 30, okay. That's not bad. Hi, Stacy. Still don't smell like a pool. Oh, it definitely don't smell like a pool. Now it smells like that fabric softener. And that fabric softener low-key making my head hurt. I cannot lie. Mira. You know what, Mira? It's okay. Don't worry about it. I remember this when I edit that mod list. Don't you worry about it. Watch this. finna show you something, girl. You gonna keep playing with me? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm finna get her real good. She probably already gone. She gonna be gagged. Does anybody else want to add anything? If not, we finna go to the fake rinse, because this is making my hair hurt. That fabric softener is so strong. So if nobody want to add, we might go ahead and put this out. She said thank you and she appreciates you. Thank you, Legacy. Hello, I'm new here. Just wondering if you have different sponges. Legacy over here just being friendly. I have different sponges, yeah. Just a few though, like not a lot. Maybe like 3 more. Add water. Should I? Is that gonna help? Because goodness gracious, that fabric softener is not playing. And I blame Mirror and Legacy because they the ones that told me to get that one. Just strong. My bad. No, Legacy, I said, oh, never mind. It's not lemon. It's a morning sun. And y'all said, okay. I remember that now. Oh, girl. You full of it. Still y'all learn.